Everybody's like, you were able to do it, and you're like, oh yeah, I was able to do it. Now, talking about the journey, how I started this YouTube channel. Out of blue, I got the idea that I'm going to create a channel, absconding for quite some time. So we've finally completed the milestone of first 500 subscribers. To the people, this is my honest opinion. Some of the people keep on telling me that we didn't, हमें पता ही नहीं लगा कि how we got to get this, achieve all this.
चल झूठा.
I am telling you honestly, the people who are not that famous, the people who are introverts, they take a hell lot of time to complete first 500 subscriber. But that was all thanks to one of my friend who just went to everyone, each and everyone, that you subscribe to this channel, you go and watch the videos. So I am exceptionally thankful to that. And but after that, as soon as he went, after that, I don't know, it took me a hell lot of time to finish my 200 subscribers, then 300, 400, and I know what I've been through completing all this thing. So today we'll discuss a little bit about this journey. Nobody's going to judge me that I'm using a filter right now. I am wearing my night suit. I didn't took a shower. Of course, I took it yesterday now, and my hours are a bit off, so nobody's going to judge me on that. Please, that's my rule number one. And also to the people who've been asking me where was I for quite this long time and why wasn't I posting. Actually, I was not feeling quite well. I had some medical issues, and that was also a reason why I couldn't appear in one of the exam. And in case you've been asking me that how was my exam, so I wasn't preparing for it. I was just sleeping, taking my time in this recovery, and that was it. I was not involved anywhere. During the month of October, should I explain that as well? So let us first discuss where was I for quite some time, okay? And I'll be, should I make another video? Should I make another video, or I should include in this? Include in this, okay. So the first point, was I able to clear my that TBR list? So no, I did 4 of my books, and then suddenly I got distracted to my otaku world. So otaku is what, this is a community of all the people who follow anime culture, who watch anime, follow the culture, and I just got distracted to one of the anime called Tokyo Revenger. It is one of the marvelous, I think, anime. Though I was told initially that it has got the same background just like the other anime called Erased, and that has got the same storyline. You can go and check it out. I would definitely give you a recommendation. In case you want me to give a synopsis, I can do that. So what actually happens in this anime called Tokyo Revenger, there's this guy who finds out on this news channel that his ex-girlfriend died in an accident, and now he decides to save her. He gets back to the past and mingles with the things, eventually saving his girlfriend, ex-girlfriend. But he had to cost something that you'll get to know. There's a different ending, of course, that is very devastating, unexpected ending that you're definitely going to love it.
Dora.
Hina!
Talking about the TBR list, I was able to complete 4 novels, and I shut my everything down after that. In case you want me to give you another telling you details about the books that I did, so I will do that. After that, I shifted completely to the anime thing, and my health was creating some issues, so I had to shut it down in between. Then right now, as of now, I am reading another book called Message in a Bottle by Nicholas Spark, and to the people who are already familiar with the name, with the author, you must know how beautiful that author is. I read one of his book because I got out of blue one of his book, and I felt like I should read another book. Then I got a recommendation that you should read Message in a Bottle, and I'm literally writing letters as of now to all of my friends. Some of you might be lucky that you're getting my letters. I always take a topic and get distracted over it. I always feel like this. So I don't know what title am I going to give this, but I'm talking about why I was absconding for quite some time. Then also celebrating my 500 subscribers milestone. Of course, I'm not going to put balloons and hit crackers over there. That's हर हर इवेंट अच्छा होता है, लेकिन it's not that big that I'll go celebrating, bursting balloons and throwing parties to everyone. Have patience, I'll do that definitely, but as of now, no. तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, considering it my first priority. The talking about the journey, how I started this YouTube channel. Out of blue, I got the idea that I'm going to create a channel, and I'll start. I'm not that person who keeps on procrastinating things. If I just got an idea that I'm going to do it, I do it at the moment. If I'll just leave things that I'll do it tomorrow, I will never do it. I know that. So out of blue, I got the idea that I told my sister that we're going to create a channel, and she said, "Pagal kya?" And I said, "Ha." So we created a channel. We decorated this wall, and things keep on going. We decided that we will be going to we will be coming up with a video every week, but decided other thing all of a sudden, and then we were creating 2 videos a week. There was a time when we were creating 3 videos a week, and then there was a time that I was literally lost for a week, and recently I was lost for a month. So consistency was something that we aced initially but lagged afterwards. So finally that I am good to go. Finally I am feeling a little bit better, so I thought that I should finally, and as soon as I saw that we were able to hit 500 subscribers, so that thing really got me excited that now we should finally make a video. I was initially planning this. I made a status on my WhatsApp that if we will be able to complete 500 subscribers, we'll be coming with a video that particular day, that same day. But we're not able to do that. And but since now we hit it yesterday, I'm shooting a video today. And things that I want to tell you guys is it's not easy being a new YouTuber because you don't know things. I'll tell you, I had a channel before also, and I was clueless about things at that time. I didn't know what tags were. I didn't know what important role hashtag played, what description played, what thumbnail. But I found it a lot better this time. I was able to complete a milestone. Hitting 100 subscriber within the first day was a big task, and people really get excited, no? And I'm one among them who get really excited over little things. And reaching 100 subscriber on the very first day, everybody's like, you were able to do it, and you're like, oh yeah, I was able to do it. But I know that how I have put efforts and how people have kept on persuading me to do things. Some of you were even telling me that why not coming up with a video, you're taking a lot of time, what happened? And as soon as I was telling you that I'm not feeling quite well, so most of you were like, okay, Shreya, fine, you can do it, it's okay, you take your time and then come back stronger. And I was like, yes, I'll have to come back stronger. So you guys have been my backbone always, especially a few of you. I should I take names? I don't know. You guys, So considering the theme of my channel, the category of my channel, I have to read a book and then tell you, is it worth reading or not? Once I'm giving a recommendation, I cannot go on telling you things that is not worthy, because I have a different opinion on everything. If you have seen my video, if you just follow them, then I have got a different opinion. I always tell this. You may think that the one very hype book, I won't find it very interesting, and the one very monotonous, very dull, I would find it very intriguing. So I have a different opinion in everything. So I have to read a book, and it's not like I'll read a book and then tell you everything about it. I will be reading 5 to 6 books, and then I'll be giving you a recommendation of 2 books. So that takes my time, and it's not like that I'm only involved in reading. I'll sum up everything, just telling you that even if I'll leave from time to time, that's just like life goes on like this. Life goes on, no. So it's just that I'll leave at certain point, then I'll be back. I'll be back stronger, of course. Life does not go in the similar manner, right? There are ups and downs, and ये पागल है, ये कर रही है ये. I'll just sum up this video, okay? I won't be taking much of your time. I just want to tell you that I'll leave at certain point, but I'll be back. So you just like you were with me right now, supporting me, being my backbone. Just stay like that. Whenever I'll feel down, of course you would see me being changed. I would be lost for some time. यार ये कैसे लोग हैं यार, इतनी बातें करते हैं, इतने जोर जोर से कौन बातें करता है बताओ, सुनाई दे रही होगी. So that's it. It's very noisy out here, so I won't be explaining everything. You can That's it, yeah. I don't have anything else to tell you. So, Chana.